Hello dear students, let us see one problem student that is asked by my students. So problem with which of the following conformation of ethylene glycol is most stable? So dear student, ethylene glycol, what is the formula? It is the CH2, again CH2, here is OH and there is OH, right? So it has the so many conformation and number of conformation is possible, but they are asking most stable one, okay? So most stable, stability is what student? Stability, if you talk about, that is, it is inversely proportional to repulsion, okay, inversely proportional to repulsion. And another is for the ethylene glycol, stability is also proportional to hydrogen bonding. If hydrogen bonding is there student, the compound will be stable. So dear student, if you see, this is the Gauche conformation, this name will be what student? This is what something called GAUCHE, Gauche, okay, conformation. So here that is same groups are actually these larger groups are together. So but here what is there student? Here in this group, in this conformation, there is hydrogen bonding, okay. So because of this hydrogen bonding, the compound is becoming the stable, okay. Because of this hydrogen bonding, the compound, this become the Gauche conformation, become the most stable. But if you see another, here is no hydrogen bonding, such bonding is possible because this is the what is anti-staggered. This is anti, that is also known as student, this is also known as anti-conformation. This is anti-conformation. So anti-conformation, here is no hydrogen bonding, opposite are there, so unstable. This is stable but not that much stable because no bonding is there. Here is no H bonding. So if you see, it can be stable, but that much compared to this one bonding one, this is the most stable. So this cannot be our answer. Next one is see student, these are coming front to front. Front to front means one carbon is here, another carbon is here, okay. So if you see another carbon is here, so they are saying that is OH group is here, another OH group is here, okay. Okay, and now that is here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, this is the hydrogen and hydrogen. So that type of is not there, it is not the, here is, this is the proper overlapping will be, hydrogen bonding will be there student, side by side is there. But in this case if you see, this one is not possible, okay, this one is not possible, okay, this one is not possible. And now the next one, because this is the eclipse conformation, this is the eclipsed, this is known as eclipsed conformation, okay. So this is what something, here will be the repulsion, okay, because hydrogen is also there, repulsion will be there, okay, there will be the repulsion also will be there student, okay. So it is unstable, so unstable, this is the unstable, okay. So that is not possible. Here you see student, they are also very close, so that is repulsion will be there, repulsion. So this is the repulsion are there, so unstable. So dear student, if you see, that is two most possible conformation are there, here is first and second option. But in the B option there is no hydrogen bonding, but A option there is hydrogen bonding. So this is the A number is the correct option student, that is Gauche conformation is most stable because of the hydrogen bonding. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and also share with your group in your group so that it can reach out to the other needful student. Thank you so much for watching friends.